In this video, I will show you how to delete Kling account. So firstly, you need to be signed in to the account you want to delete. When you log in, press on your avatar. In top right corner, as you see, there isn't an option for settings. There is My Creatives, Help Center, Terms of Service, Privacy and Policy, Contact Us, API calls, and of course, Sign Out. What we need to do here is that we want to click on Contact Us, and this little window will show. As you see, we have their social media platforms, but what we are looking here for is this email address showed right here. So you're probably asking yourself, what should I do now? Well, you have to copy this email address and write an email kindly asking them to delete your account. After they see your email, they will have to verify that it's actually you who want to delete that account. Once they verify it's you, they will delete it as soon as possible. And that's it.